What's up guys, Ackeem here. So today I'm going to do the unboxing of a very interesting product. So these are some garden lights that I basically was sent to do an unboxing and a review of, which I also find interesting. So I'm going to share with you guys this product right here, which inside I basically get this as a gift to do a review of. So it should be pretty interesting to unbox this, let you guys see what's inside. I know you might see already from the thumbnail, but I'm just going to show you guys basically how it look, all the pieces that come inside. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm just going to unbox it right now. So this is one of the pieces right here, which is the top piece. And as you can see, this is how it look. On the top right here, we have the solar panel, which can use to charge a battery. So this is going to be directly in the sun, charged from the sunlight. And underneath right here, we can see the local light. So we have a slot for the battery, so it can use battery as well. And we have an on and off switch right here. As you can see, this part can pull out. Let me try, we can pull this out. It also come with a battery inside as well, which is a great idea. So we can basically turn this on even right now, but first it won't turn on because it only detect to turn on when its time is dark. So if we basically cover this panel right here, it should turn on. So here we have the illuminated glass as well, which is gonna work on it. We have a lot of them inside this as well. So in this package we have at least 12 of them which come inside. I'm just gonna install them now, show you guys basically how it works. Alright guys, so these are all the fittings that came inside. I have managed to turn on one of these, so let me try again. Switch this right here, put it flat. As you can see, the light coming on right there because this is flat and the surface is blocking the light, and it basically comes on. So I'm gonna fit them up now to let you guys see how it works. So we have this glass right here. So what we can do, we have to turn on this first to make put it on. Then we just clip this onto right here, just like so, and spin it to here. It basically clicks in and it go on right there. So when you cover this part right here, you can see a little light right there. So once you install it like this guys, you can put on this part right here. It's gonna put on perfectly fine onto right here. Then you're gonna stick this part right here into the ground, which gonna look perfectly bright at night. So I'm gonna show you guys basically. I'm gonna install them and show you guys how it look. Alright guys, so it basically getting dark right now. It's dark right here, as you can see. Basically in evening right now, and these are the light. They're looking really neat right around the yard right here. This is how them look, and I look how them got these little star shape around it, go right around, as you can see. This one as well, how them look guys from far, looking pretty neat, as you can see right here. As you can see guys, these can spread really far. I love all the design of this right here and how them basically looks. Another angle right there out in the yard. Let me get that focus right so you guys get the idea. Camera is not focusing. Guys, looking pretty neat, as you can see right there. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching.